Hi, I'm Katie from Legal Nodes, and today I'll be walking you through a token cap table template. Now, this template has been specifically designed by the Legal Nodes team for Web3 entrepreneurs, investors, and contributors. Before we dive in, I would like to remind you that none of this information, including the template itself, is to be construed as legal or any other type of advice. This video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research and always consult with a qualified legal professional before using any templates in your business. We have done a separate video explaining why a token cap table template can be such a useful tool for Web3 founders, investors, and contributors, and you can find that by visiting our YouTube channel or legalnodes.com. So let's take a look at the token cap table. It's presented in Google Docs. You can also use it in an Excel spreadsheet, and it is divided into 3 different tabs. So the table works by inputting certain data about your project into the table, and then the table's got built-in formulas that will generate output data to guide us on what different token allocations might look like. So we'll go through it tab by tab, and we'll have a look at the areas that we should be adjusting the numbers and inputting our data in. Please note that blue numbers in particular are the areas that you should be editing. So in the first tab, which is called the token cap table tab, you'll need to input the token hard cap, the list of token pools, and the distribution of hard cap percentages between these pools. Also, do not forget to add in down here the token price at the token generation event, and don't forget to add in the DevLab's capitalization. So this should be the capitalization of the DevLab, which is the total number of shares before the conversion of any convertible equity investment agreements or the price round. Now, after you've input this general data, you can jump into the core contributors and investors tab. And here you'll need to fill out information about the shares of the investors and founders in DevLab, and the discounts, which is this over here, provided in the token warrants or the token side letters. Now, the number of shares and token discounts for founders and core contributors will usually be found in legal documents. So look in stock certificates, stock purchase agreements, and token options. Investor shares should be calculated by using existing equity cap table management software, which includes equity calculators for safe conversion calculations, and discounts should be taken from token warrants and token side letters. So once you've added in all of your data here, you're going to jump into the team and investors tab. Now, in this final tab, you need to input the percentage distribution of the pool among early project contributors who've been issued token options or token grants as part of your token incentive program. You can also add and tweak the price per token over here. So this will help you to see how much each person will need to pay to redeem their tokens. Now, once all the data is entered correctly, the token cap table itself will actually calculate the number of tokens for investors and contributors in the token allocation section, which is in tab number 1, and it's over here on the right-hand side. Now, this will allow investors and contributors to better understand the number of tokens that they can count on when the blockchain protocol is launched and the tokens are minted. And additionally, this might also help you to legally structure the token distribution process and better understand things like your tax implications that can arise during the conversion process of token warrants and token options. Now, before we wrap up, it's essential to note a few final things that should help you to avoid mistakes when using this template. This template uses formulas from our Legal Nodes token warrant and token side letter templates, so it might not work with other documents provided by other organizations. If you'd like to download our documents, you can do so at Web3 Docs page, which is legalnodes.com/Web3 Docs, and you can download things like your token side letter and token warrant for free. So the other thing that you need to remember when you're using this template is that it's assumed that Web3 entrepreneurs will actually independently calculate the conversions of investor safes or convertible notes into shares. And we'll do this using existing equity cap table management software with equity calculators, and then input that data into this template. So this template won't do that for you. This template is also blockchain and country agnostic. So this means that certain equity conversion rules and token conversion rules might change depending on the safe jurisdiction or the certain blockchain network. So remember, always seek qualified legal advice when using a token cap table template to ensure your calculations are accurate and your token strategy is compliant with applicable laws and regulations. And that's it. By following these steps, you can hopefully effectively complete and use this token cap table for your Web3 startup. Remember, you can download it for free at legalnodes.com or find the link in the description below. Thank you. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.